Struggling to make money on YouTube? Here are some essential strategies to help you turn things around and start generating income from your channel. First, focus on finding a niche market. Instead of trying to appeal to everyone, identify a specific audience you can cater to. This helps in creating more targeted content that stands out and attracts dedicated viewers. Next, optimize your content for SEO. Use tools like Google Trends and YouTube search suggestions to find the right keywords. Include these keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your searchability. This will help your videos rank higher and reach a broader audience. Promote your videos on social media. Share your content on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to drive more traffic to your channel. Create engaging posts that encourage people to watch and share your videos. Consistently interacting with your followers can help build a loyal community. Engagement is key. Respond to comments on your videos and create content that encourages interaction. Ask questions, host live streams, and conduct Q&A sessions to connect with your audience on a personal level. The more engaged your viewers are, the more likely they are to support your channel. Explore alternative revenue streams. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money by promoting products related to your content. Look for companies that align with your niche and become an affiliate partner. Sponsorships are another lucrative option. Reach out to brands for collaboration opportunities that can benefit both parties. Additionally, consider creating merchandise related to your channel. Custom t-shirts, mugs, and other items can be sold to your fans. Don't forget about YouTube's built-in monetization features. If you meet the eligibility requirements, you can enable ads on your videos to earn ad revenue. Super chats and channel memberships are also effective ways to monetize your content directly from your audience. Consistency is crucial. Develop a content schedule and stick to it. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and signal to YouTube that your channel is active. This can improve your chances of being recommended to new viewers. Invest in quality. High-quality videos with good production values attract more viewers. Pay attention to lighting, sound, and editing to create a professional look. Even small improvements can make a big difference in retaining viewers and gaining new subscribers. Keep learning and adapting. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, so stay updated with the latest trends and strategies in content creation. Join online communities, attend webinars, and follow industry experts to keep your skills sharp and your content fresh. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Keep experimenting, learning from your mistakes, and refining your approach. With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture.